Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you are all fine. So today we are again doing an artwork. This is a combination of vegetable printing and blow painting. Already we have done one session of vegetable printing. I'm introducing you to blow painting also. I'll tell you how to do it. So that is done by using a straw, plastic or paper or whatever straw you have. You can try with this. If you don't have straw, no problem. You can just, blow from this distance. Okay, while doing, you will understand. So the materials needed for today are watercolors. I have taken two lady's finger cut, and then one brush, one straw, and sketch pen to draw an outline. That's all. So, and one pencil. Okay, so first what I am doing is, I'm actually going to make a flower vase with beautiful flowers in it. The technique I am using is blow painting as well as vegetable printing. So first I am drawing the outline of a flower vase. The shape is your choice. You can draw it any way you like. This you can draw and give to children. If they can draw, fine. So this is the outline of the flower vase. And now I am going to paint it. Again, the color is your choice. I am painting it blue. The children may not be, some may be able to do, but some may not be able to perfectly paint within the boundary. But that's okay. Towards the end, you can adjust a bit. These sessions actually are not for perfection. This is actually to engage our children, uh, imparting some enjoyment to them, some fun, some togetherness. And so we don't expect perfection in all these things. So I've painted a blue flower vase. After drying, maybe you can draw an outline. With a sketch pen, preferably black or brown. It will look good. Now I am introducing the blow painting technique. For that, I am choosing green color. I am the stem using blow painting. For that, the green paint should be a little watery. Add few more drops of water and make it little watery. So I'm going to put drops here. I'm putting drops. What you have to do is ask the child to hold the straw and just blow. See, it has come out really well. Any direction, it will go this side, that's the fun. And maybe if you want, a little more, you can put little more drops of green paint. Only if it's little watery, it will spread. See? Very beautiful. You never know which direction it goes. Okay, so the stem is done. And now we are going to paint the flowers. This we have already done vegetable printing. I've taken lady's finger. If you want any other vegetable, you can take like bitter gourd, potato, whatever. So this time I'm using pink paint. So you can do one thing. Wherever you feel you want them to print the flowers, you just put a dot with pencil. So it will be easy for them. They don't have to search where they have to print the flowers. See, so I have put some dots here and there. So they just can print on those dots. Okay. Now again you can put dots some other places. I'm using red paint now. Actually, it comes very beautiful with lady's finger. And some more dots. So I'll use yellow. This is a flower vase with bunch of different colors of flowers. Very simple and hardly takes 5 minutes. So done. That's all. And flower vase also, if you want, you can uh, decorate it either by using the sketch pen itself, putting dots, or by using the paint. A lot of paint is left over. You can use the paint, any design. So it's a very simple painting. Children would love it. So this is it. So beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.